Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make these fall acorns using leftover Easter eggs. Welcome to Fixin' 2. What we're going to need, of course, is our leftover Easter eggs, a few of those, some jute twine, an array of spray paints, a brown Sharpie marker, one of the thinner wood skewers that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and of course our hot glue gun. So let's get started. Now the first thing that we're going to do is take our Easter egg, of course, and open it, and we're going to use the hot glue to just put a little dab on, probably like each, just a little dab on one side, a little dab on the other side. We just want to be able to put them together and it not pop open after we've painted it and done what we're going to do to create the acorn with it. So once we've got that on there and it's set, we're also going to go ahead and take our little skewer and our brown marker, and we're just going to kind of color, the little bit at the end of it here, because once we get it colored, then we're just going to trim it off. I use a pair of wire cutters. You can use scissors if you have an older pair. And we're going to go ahead and watch this thing fly, y'all, when I cut it. Of course, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it takes off, man. It just shot off away from me, and I didn't know where it went, and I found it on the floor. Thank goodness. So now we've got that done. We're going to set it aside, and we're going to go ahead and get our egg painted. Now guys, don't judge. You see the little basket that I wrapped with a Walmart bag and just poked a hole in it and put it on a wood skewer, because these eggs have a little hole in the bottom to put it on. And so I went and took that, stuck it down in there, and then just evenly sprayed it so that it can get a good even coat on it. Now, if you haven't already headed over to Instagram, do that and go ahead and follow me. I'm at Fixin2AL. I would love for you to come over and check out all of the fun stuff that I put on there. Join me. That's just another way to connect with me on a little bit more of a personal level. Now that your eggs are all painted and dry, you're going to take that little piece of the skewer that we cut off and a little bit of hot glue right there on the fatter end of your egg, and we're going to put that little piece of stick there. And then once that's dry and set, then we're going to take our twine with a little bit of hot glue to get it started and let it set for a second. Then you're just going to begin to wrap it around and around and around until you have definitely filled it in. And I usually like to take it down to where the two pieces of the egg, the plastic egg, come together, and that gives it a really good look to it and makes it look like the acorn, a large acorn. Now that you've gotten down to the end of it, you just, of course, cut it off, put that last little bit of hot glue down, and get that secured on there really well. Now, of course, you know that most of your twines have what I call little hairs, and for me, I like to go in, clean them up a little bit with scissors, kind of trimming off that and giving it a little bit of a haircut. And then once we get that done, then what I like to do, now you can not put anything on it like I've got it here to hang. You can have them just without it and use it in a display, or you can just cut off a piece of your twine and putting it together at the ends, and then taking a little bit of hot glue right up there near the little stem that we put on there, and holding it there until it sets, and then you'll have a cute little twine hanger to be able to hang it on a garland, or like I did, I hung it in my fall tree that I have done for my decor. I think that these turned out so super cute, and I hope that you guys like it as well. And if this is the first time to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload new videos. I upload every Friday and throw bonus videos in there from time to time. And always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.